Good morning, Swiss cows. How are you? Cold, huh? I'm too. But at least look how beautiful it is where we are. We are about 50k from Bern, about 100k to Geneva. And the Alps with snow. And look at that, I don't know if you can see, but all the way in the distance, beautiful snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps. I'm here now on the road. It's actually pretty cold right now. It's about 7 degrees Celsius. It's not very exciting. It's cold and my knee is actually hurting a little bit, but what can I do? It's not always a picnic, but hopefully we'll get better. I think I'm just gonna walk for the next 2 kilometers or so. I just started now, so we'll see what happens. But it's always nice to see the cows like this, and you can hear also the bells in the distance. Can you hear it? Nice, huh? You know, this reminds me that every day people in Asia and Africa have to actually walk up to 6k just to fetch water. So I'm just gonna try to keep that in mind as I'm trying to feel better today. Alright, water is life, and see you soon.